August 3rd, 2023, outside Santa Fe, New Mexico. He rammed a marked unit head-on, drove straight at a cyclist, then came for the officer herself. Minutes later, she's alone on that road, fighting to keep her own gun.
10-4 in my location. I'm gonna be going south on 63. We're almost to I-25. If somebody can set up some spikes right there. He's on the opposite lane of travel right now. He is all over the roadway.
I know which way to go. He's trying to ram me off the road.
10-4, he's right behind me. He just rammed me. He pulled off to the side of the road. He is turning around now. Please let Santa Fe Regional know. I think he's going to try to go back to the house. He's driving all over the road. He's dangerous. Get off the road.
120.
He attempted to hit a person on a bike. 146 seconds. There are more people on the bike. I'm gonna hit him. 146 seconds. He's still going. He's crashing my vehicle and pushing me as well.
This was the moment the officer decided to ram him off the road herself. But the second that door swung open, he wasn't running anymore. He was coming straight for her, and she was completely alone.
Dude, stop! 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 Stop!
What happens is, the reason this footage exists, she's screaming into her radio, his hands are on her weapon, backup is still minutes out, and then a total stranger does something unbelievable.
Stop! 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 Don't do it!
Cut it out! Cut it out! Cut it out!
Thank you!
Cut it out!
Stop! Stop!
Cut it out!
He's trying to... Stop! No! He's trying to grab my gun!
Get out the clip! Get out the clip! Get out the clip!
You mother... I'm gonna tase you!
I got him! I got him!
Yes, sir.
I got him!
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna
Cut it out! Cut it out!
Yes, sir.
Cut it out!
I can't see you.
What's your problem?
I'm diabetic.
Stop resisting!
Let me the alone. Just let me go.
Cut it!
Yes, back the fuck up.
Get it out! Get it out!
Turn.
Cut it the fuck out, dude! Cut it out!
Sorry. No.
I'm gonna tase you! Stop!
Cut it out!
No,
Stop.
you're driving everything.
I'm gonna tase you! I will...
Driving everything.
Stop trying to bite me!
You lose your job.
146, I got 1 mile detained. We're on 63 at the 2.
You hit this shit, dog? I swear.
Hold up, I need to... Hold up, I need to
You're
tighten it.
fucked. Shut the fuck up.
You guys are...
Hold up.
You guys are... I go fit and take me to help.
Shut the up!
Are you sure to get me?
Shut up!
You made that bike here.
Yes,
I
thank you.
told you it's going to go out of the
Shut up.
Shut up! He
Turn
broke
off.
my unit. Punching it. Shut up. I checked him for weapons, but... Hold up. Yeah, I'm pregnant. So I need to... I need to guess.
Put your hands up. Put your hands above your head. Put your hands above your head.
Stop! Resisting right
Move your
now.
hands up here.
Up now. You understand?
Yes.
Well then, up.
Ow! Leave me alone.
Be quiet.
Oh, okay. I surrender
You
you.
tried killing that lady.
Just please me. I know you hit me. And I spun out of control. Ow!
Stop it.
Help me, buddy. Help! I tried to back
Okay.
up.
I just
Like
need
you
to
take
go.
my insulin. And she
He's
kept
coming up.
coming.
He kept punching my unit. Yeah. He has a tire
Where
on some,
is it?
but I can't find it now.
Because I got flat, you hit the
He
knee.
left it at my unit.
No, it wasn't my hand. He said, help me,
I wanted
please.
to, but I just put him on.
Oh, you're going to break my wrist.
What should we do?
Oh, let it go.
Okay.
Wait,
let me.
go.
Shut up.
Oh, you surrender. What are you guys doing?
Shut up. Be quiet.
Back up,
Okay,
me.
I'm gonna take one off, but I'm gonna hold that wrist like that. Okay.
Say, please don't act. Help me.
Be quiet.
She don't be quiet. I told her to back up. She's going to wait for help.
Hold up. Okay.
I told her to stop.
I told you to stop.
She
Be
didn't even know
quiet.
where we're at
Be
it.
quiet.
Ah.
Hold up. Let me take this off.
Okay.
Okay.
You guys gonna disturb me? Turn it on. You guys gonna disturb me? Oh.
Shut up.
No, let me do it by myself. I'll put it in the back.
Stop
I
pulling
can't.
up. Stop pulling up.
Doing this.
Okay. I'm gonna grab
It's
it. Hold up.
beside you. I told you to back
Hold up.
up.
Hold up. Let me grab it.
Okay, I'll give it to you here.
Stop.
I'll give it to you.
Stop.
Just like I
You
told
tried
you.
to grab my gun. Shut up.
No,
I
I
don't trust
didn't.
you.
Don't touch me. You guys are jumping me.
Shut up.
You guys are jumping me. Oh, my hand's too tight. This one was you ran over me with the car.
Be
Why
quiet,
would you
dude.
do
You
that?
freaking hit me.
I tried
You
to back
came
up
at me.
multiple times. I didn't answer it.
Okay. I'm gonna get gloves and stuff. I'm gonna just pat him down. I can do this.
Go for a therapy walk, whatever.
Let's set him up because he's on his. At least on his.
My mom knows everything. Anything they don't want to help me, so just tell me.
Shut up.
I have weed.
I don't care. Shut up. Don't
I have
talk
a
to me. I
card for it.
don't
I have
care.
cannabis card. But I needed my insulin. Went to the tire shop.
146 Sencom. Can you also start 155? I want one for the 41 he went head on with.
She scared me.
She's in a bike.
Hit that bike.
Like a bicycle.
Turns back up, please.
And then
She
the
kept coming
male
after
as well.
me to kill everybody that was innocent. There's nobody else on the road. It's just like this.
That went head on with a suspect on a bicycle. Let's take it on Denver Highway and 363. I've got 182 in detail.
Did you want to die in jail?
She hit her tires, but she jumped out of the way in time. This was the white Navigator, yeah.
Oh, you can watch the shear me and spun me on the way.
That was the one we were looking for. He was coming when I came out of
Thank God.
146 Sencom.
Give me the tire.
10-4. I don't believe the 41 was injured, but he did intentionally go, and I did see the bike. I mean, his vehicle hit the bike tire.
We didn't even try to like find out what's wrong. She just like,
Is this him or what?
I was diabetic. I just said, please, man.
Well, get up. We're gonna put you in the unit.
Help me, okay? Oh, you don't have to
Get
hurt
up.
me.
I'm not
They
hurting
ran
you.
over my foot.
We're gonna put you in the unit, bro.
Oh, she ran
Get
over
up.
my foot, bro. Oh, help me, please. Okay.
Oh,
Ah!
put it.
The cops ran over my foot. I'm instant.
Get over here, hey. Chill, bro. Hey, chill out.
And they hit that car over
Chill
there.
out.
I got lady almost got killed. I said, back over with you. Bring you back up. Like the killers, I take my insulin. This is how they shoot. She ran over my foot.
Have a seat in there.
Almost killed that
Have
lady.
a seat in there.
Ah, my leg. Okay, hold on. Oh, I'm gonna pass out.
Sit in there, bro.
Hurry up.
Sit in there. Hurry up.
Put your foot up. I think she ran over my right leg. Okay, well, we'll get you later. Get up. It's all right. Step in there. Ah, my foot again. Hurry up. Stop.
Step in there, bro.
The water. Put your foot up.
Step in there.
Okay, just
477-007.
hurry up.
Step up.
I fell. Cool. And while she ran over me, then I tried to run. I got scared. She came out with the.
Step in there, man. I'm not gonna tell you again.
Hurry up.
Here, sir. Step in there, bro. Last time.
Hey, they ran over my foot across your car. They ran over my foot across the car.
You good?
Yeah, dude. He wanted to kill me for sure. I don't know what he did with the tire.
Chill, hey. Take a minute, dude. Take a minute.
Just confirm with Bird or 114.
Hey, it's all good, bro. You're good.
114.
Makes me so mad, like, people like this.
182 unit.
Can you get us 55 rolling?
I think they're starting a couple. I don't know what he did with the tire. I was trying to get it. I'm gonna photograph everything, okay? This is his property as well as that pipe, but I wasn't gonna pick that up.
That's 114. You get by the best only outstanding suspect. Now he's detained.
What'd he do?
So I came out of Old Las Vegas Highway and I saw a white vehicle. I didn't think much, but then I recognized that it was a Navigator because it slowed down and he started throwing his hands up and flipped it and started taking off. So I was like, oh shit.
But here, when you got here, what did he want to do to you? Did he get off and like come towards your vehicle or what?
He tried to kill that lady, dude. He went head on with the girl with the bike. So I slammed him and then right after that he freaking he stayed going, so I hit him again so he could like kind of disable. He got off with the tire and he kept going like this. Well, I got down with my gun, but then I transitioned to the taser because I was going to tase him instead. No, and then he was going. I thought he was going to take off in my unit, so I rolled down my window, I locked my door, and then this guy got out and he tried taking his vehicle, and he held him for me so I could cuff him. Yeah. But he put up like the biggest fight too. He did not want to.
I think is you're good, bro.
Huh?
The good thing is you're good, man. That's all we can.
Yeah. I just don't like to get stressed out now. But I'm okay. I thought he was gonna steal my unit. I was so once I saw that he's scrunching down to come around it.
Yeah.
I ended up.
About 6 minutes ETA.
Yeah, I got him in my unit. I got him in my unit.
Thank you.
146 has minor cuts to her hand. We've got a 55 in route. The male subject had his
No, get it checked out, dude.
We are online with 55.
You handled your shit, bro. That's what matters.
021.
Are you kicking my unit, bro?
I don't know if you were.
It takes 15 minutes to get to my mathematics academy.
You weren't dying when you went head on with my partner, were you?
No, because
exactly. So be quiet then.
No, I was fine though.
The suspect faces 2 counts of aggravated battery on an officer with a deadly weapon, 1 count of aggravated battery without bodily harm, 1 count of aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, plus battery, attempted motor vehicle theft, resisting arrest, criminal damage to property, and reckless driving. If he is found guilty in court by New Mexico law, NMSA 302225, aggravated battery on a peace officer with a deadly weapon is a 3rd-degree felony, and he will get up to 3 years in prison and a $5,000 fine for each count, which stacked across every felony charge could put him behind bars for over 10 years. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Subscribe, like, and comment on this video.